I'm heartless since starting this artist rip charted with sparking men fucked hellishly. Wired bitch man sorry when carving this star and sin harping is just well and clean. Try smartest kid barking his largest bit part of men are just with the yelling scene. Telling me how to live when they're making angels strangle and mangle. Just live without sin. His house is fired up by your trusted archangel hearts labeled that true with gift. Good is this killing verse after verse curse there's your curse. Hurt, back sir, hurt, bitch your first thank you to your pride of soul. Be your honor service. The kids purposely give searching who as good as that Antichrist standing by damn and life. And in time damage hard in the right hand of my friend the guys under my sin. Hell trying help by living life within rights to black out and act out as his chosen guide. And now with this lowest life is chosen right I say angels please show the lights. Grow minds over time I'll show your eyes how to notice I was truth and lies. Good as I who decide you with my truth. Move, get hell's restored. How you doing yell you fools tell you true hatred that say this placement. Sacred they hit on gift like a list found lips that sick of it bitch misfit. This kid's picture of that the rip like this master and this rapping shit bitches. Hit black in the system that this is Lord I'ma show you how to wield a Jedi sword. Must let eyes shore on the prize of life also known as that chosen antichrist. Land of mine hate dictate that gives me reason to never end up fucked in the lake. But the fake ass bitch after fake ass bitches with extra proof is so this hope is mode it grows untold cause those scenes of me hard to believe. I'ma deceive these bitch beings in the hell breathing me like the rest of me season me. Mike's the best and he keeps singing these beats with hope Dre can see me. Keep those lies and type of other kinds that know how to fly high skies. My head's time flown in my life and I need my wife forget the hatred I sanction. They hit way hit like a snake that taking the bait ends is free fucking state. Keep coming fake ass bitch they lack Christian attributes like ass and do that construed. Student cats come with glue that for crew ass and do that for fools ending them hells right. Definitely my friends cause cockle waits on the plate like God is great as on the stay. Watch them stay the fuck away soon as the angels show them the Almighty's way. Y'all might be gay but God takes you straight towards the lady gravy gives baby way. Maybe if they were properly God the king will forgive his ass too. Heavenly say blessed be straight fucking this place is brave as grace where a soldier truly does like. You'll be dismayed and was dismayed to play if they wanna fight. I'm alright. My mic call like I like y'all's lifetime. I ball like Mike. Sights all eyes. Jordan short and white. Short as I like. Who really wants to be just like Mike? Righteously might just delight in these asses. Tragic in the past has been cigarette and cancer. Andrew bitch ass and tax with bag of player. Blackout rain flame. Killing the day. Flame in the blazes like staying in touch. Waiting for the angels give way. This friend gets shot like the chop box. Rock slap but never hellishly crack. Telling me shock shots. Hot fly hellishly trips. Helping these kids well with the gift. Hell is intense. Well in this man. Hell in the den. Till time truly does end. What I pictured in the glitter and stricken out of angels and all the God really damn. Kill me to stand rich stupid bitch future the power of really towers as a coward. Not just acting national it's fucking for life by that Lord. Our antichrist and the night and day like me. Striking these two fight with me righteously. My kid be striking me by the team timelessly reborn as I'm seen Lord. These swords need sport to help your scene Lord keep your angel brigade. AFA oblige the lights will always shine bright over that chosen one antichrist. Can the God trying to demise to shine a light on bright. God of right stands all stupid tight to his eyes. Through his eyes you can fight through the rocks through him by dupe the guy. Who is my opponent more chosen plus hoping the scope is unspoken. Notice the hope is what I soon try to kill me and your demise in the sunrise. Fuck my enemy splendidly, they don't kill me so empty. These bitches dickless. Let Nicholas trick this kid bitch wishing like to get 10 get spent. By coming nut trick, fucking busted bitches coming sickness. The hell's lit then hit. This gifted kid, bitch if listening, quit hitting this kid with sickness, acting like your kids are gifted. Bitch dick till I spits out a guy's dick on the top and charges like hey, I'll start. Now the part I love is I shove the fuck to. Hell's less well touch, hell does fuck your minds in the faggot behind you lick dick, never get hell tricked again.